How's it going, guys? LinuxDaily back with a tutorial on how to break the root password on CentOS 7. This works with all user account passwords as well for CentOS 7. There is a different way to do it in CentOS 6, but since CentOS 7 is their most current release, that is what we're going to do. With that being said, I'm going to teach you how to break the root password on CentOS 7. Alright guys, we got CentOS 7 booting up as a server. We do not have a desktop environment installed on here. So then we go to login as root, of course. Type in the password, and you don't quite remember your password. Alright, so what you want to do is at this screen, you want to somehow reboot your computer. It's going to have to be shut down anyway to get to the bootloader. So I'm just going to go reset the virtual machine on VirtualBox and then press E at the grub menu. You want to go down to the line where it says Linux 16. At the end of the line, I'm just going to press the end key on the keyboard, type in rd.break, then Control X to start. So at the line where it says Linux 16 / VM Linux, it's probably not going to say VM Linux on actual hardware, but I am going to type in rd.break at the end of the line and press Control X to boot with these options. So it's going to boot up and it's going to bring us into a switch root environment. So now our root file system is going to be read only. So you want to make that read write by typing in mount -o remount rw rw /sysroot. So we got that remounted as read write. Now we want to chroot into /sysroot. So now we are at the chroot prompt in sysroot. So now what we want to do is just pass wd and then our password. So all authentication tokens updated successfully. Now what you want to do is you want to edit the timestamps for SE Linux. So that just touch touch / .auto relabel. You want to do that, and then you want to exit and then reboot. Boot up with normal options, and then it should boot up and we should be able to log in to our root account. Now if we had other users on the account, it would work as well. It should normally, after all the times I've tested it, kind of take a while on the skipping over file system. You want to reboot again. So we are now at our login prompt. So root and then a very secure password. And we are logged on. We can do our Linux administration tasks on our server. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you in the next one.